Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing wills here in Thailand, and there are various ways of legally formalizing a will in Thailand. One thing that I occasionally get emails on, and there must have been somebody talking about this in a forum or something somewhere, is I've gotten a number of emails on so-called holographic wills. What are they? Well, it's basically your handwritten will. You can do a handwritten will, and there may be, with respect to Thailand and other jurisdictions, there may be less formalities associated with witnessing such an instrument. But that said, as we've discussed in other videos, holographic wills may or may not be the best way of doing things. Honestly, I view the holographic will rules, the sort of various provisions out there that may allow for holographic wills, as being something that was designed to deal with things in a pinch, if you will. What are you talking about? Well, somebody knows of their imminent passing and may not be able to get, they may be in an isolated place, so they write out their last will and testament and then pass away. That's a very different thing than modern times where, you have a city around you and you can go get a will formalized. You can go have witnesses to a will and things. Again, ultimately, it's going to be a judge in a sort of probate proceeding here in Thailand. That's not quite the right word for it, as our vernacular would use, but again, it's similar. The proceedings are similar to what we would call probate in a common law vernacular. Again, it's ultimately up to the judge adjudicating such matters, or the court adjudicating such matters, I should say. But that being said, as a practical matter, it's not optimal to have a so-called holographic will. Again, they're sort of legal in the breach, if you will. They're legal because they want to allow for some level of exigent circumstances with regard to people setting their own testamentary instruments. But that being said, as a practical matter, it may not be the best way to go. Again, depending on your circumstances and how you want to structure your estate, it may not be a terrible idea to contact a legal professional, gain some insight and guidance into how best to proceed.